Hello. Today we are going to talk about some of the Portuguese sounds. One of the main reasons I think for my students to have some difficulties understanding us is because they just don't know what kind of sounds we do and why we do them. And so I gathered some information throughout the years in a really simple way that I'm going to share with you. So this is some hacks about the Portuguese language. Today we are going to talk about vowels. In Portuguese, we say a, e, I, o, u. Okay, these are the 5 vowels we have. Now, to be easier for you to understand our sounds, I divided them in happy sounds, middle tone sounds, and sad sounds. So maybe I can show you first A, which is more simple. It only has 2 sounds, like 2 tones. The letter is called A, which is happy. And you know it's happy because I'm really opening my mouth. A. It's the happy sound, the first one. And so I put a happy face. The second sound that this letter can make is A. And you see my mouth is closer. It's not so wide opened. It comes from back here. Okay? In Portuguese, when you have an accent, as you can see in the first A, it means it's a happy sound. However, if you have the little hat, the sound is different. Okay, it's a middle tone sound. In this case, it's the same as a without an accent or in a specific part of the word. Okay, because just a in some parts of the word, and there's no rule, you just have to know the words in Portuguese, can also have a happy sound or not. The most important thing, however, with time you will learn the vocabulary and you can know just by knowing the words, oh okay, this is happy or this is sad or this is middle tone. You will be able to recognize. For now, I just want you to focus on the sounds. What kind of sounds can the Portuguese vowels do? So, a, happy, and a, middle tone. Let's see some words. Oh, okay. So, for example, with the happy a, we have the word pa, shovel. Da, give me. It's kind of imperative. And sofa, sofa. This one is simple. And for the middle tone, I have cama or câmara. The first one is bed and the second one is chamber. Okay, as you can see with the little hat, which has a terrible, awful name, acento circunflexo. I don't have to memorize this. It has the same sound as the normal a. Okay, let's move on. Now, the e, the A is more fun because it has the 3 sounds, the happy, the middle tone, and the sad one. So let's see the happy one, I really open my mouth. And the middle tone one, I, okay, the sad one. And I always tell my students, well, you have to shed a tear. Comes from here, okay? It's very different. And you can repeat after me, okay? It's good that you practice. It helps to be more aware of the sounds, okay? If you try to do it by yourself too. So, e, I, U. Let's see some words. Okay, lots of words. Pé, pé, foot, colher. You see, it doesn't have an accent, but it's happy anyways. So we just have to know the vocabulary. Spoon, fé, fé. Metro, subway. All of these happy. Let's see the middle tone ones. V, de, mexer. The last ear is the middle tone one. M is actually said shir. E, m, said shir, mexer. Okay, it's two different sounds. And it's not a problem if by now maybe you're not so able to recognize that they're different. Okay, this happens. It takes a while for our ears and our muscles to adjust, but it happens, and it happens sooner than you think. Now the last on the sad one. So do, su, mexe, mexe, she is sad, e come. De, se, mexe, it's happy sad, mexe, e come. Okay, so lots of words with e. Oh, I love this one. The o. O has also three sounds. The happy one, o, the middle tone one, o, and it's the same as the o with the hat or o and u together. Okay, that's something it's good to know because we have the word o, which means or, and you have to know how to pronounce it. And then we have the sad, crying, poor thing, oh, which has so different sound. It's ooh. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the three so you can really listen. O, o, ooh. You see? Isn't it different? So different. Some words that have the three sounds: ouvidos, ouvidos. You see, it's the same letter, different sounds. Beautiful city. I advise you to visit it. And it has a chocolate festival. It's really good. Óculos. Óculos. Okay? Happy, sad. Homem. Ó. You see, it has the H. The H is in Portuguese. It's mute. You don't read it. You don't ha. No. Doesn't exist. Now let's see the middle tone one. Okay? Dor. Dor. Ocupado. Ocupado. The last O is sad. And the word I told you about 5 seconds ago, O, which means or, which is important to know. Okay? So let's see the meanings. Óbidos, the city. Óculos, glasses. Homem, a man. Dor, pain. Ocupado, busy. O, or. Now let's see the sad one. O. This is such an important word. Just one letter, okay? It's an article, we use it a lot. We use a lot of very tiny words. You will see in a bit when you go throughout the workbook and everything. Do, which is a preposition, okay, can mean quite a few things. Preposition of movement or of possession. Posso, it's like I can or can I, depends on the sentence. Po, happy, su, sad. Okay, so we covered everything. There are two more vowels, okay, the U and the E, which are such good friends of ours because they don't change. They have one sound and one sound only. You don't have to worry about them. Just these three have different sounds and you have to get a little used to them, okay? The first thing you are already doing, which is to be aware, to be conscious that this exists. And this is 50% of the work, okay? Just practice a little bit and I bet you'll do fine.